Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you forget the pattern or pin lock of your Android phone, and you don't want to hard reset your phone, as there are very important data that you don't want to lose. It happens sometimes when you put a screen lock password on your Android phone and forget it, and you want to remove lock on your device without losing all of your data. Well, in this video, I am going to show you 6 effective methods to unlock Android phone without losing data. Method 1, Android SDK tool. 2, dr.fone unlock. 3, Aroma File manager. 4, using Google account password. 5, safe mode to bypass third-party app screen lock. And 6, factory reset. So let's start with method number 1, how to unlock Android pattern lock with Android SDK tool. First of all, download Android SDK tool. I have given the link in the video description, or open your browser and type Android SDK tools. Download and install Android SDK tools. It's available for Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, and for Mac. My Windows is 64-bit, so I download it. You can see your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit from this PC properties. The installation may take 10-20 minutes. So the requirement is USB debugging should be enabled before your Android device locked. Connect your locked Android phone with your system via USB cable. Open folder where you installed Android SDK tools. Go to See Partition Users App Data. This folder may be hid in your system. Please show hidden files to view this folder. Local, Android. Android SDK platform tools, and then click on blank space. Hold Shift and click right mouse button and select Open Command Window. Here it will open Command Window. Now you have to put some commands in the command window to check whether your device is properly connected or not. Put command ADB devices and press enter. Now enter these commands. You can copy these commands from the video description. Once you're done, you have to reboot your Android phone. Now it's all done. USB debugging should be enabled before lock, and it is the must, but if it is not enabled, then you follow second method. Second method is unlock Android phone with dr.fone without losing data. dr.fone Android screen lock removal is a great unlock Android pattern lock software, helping you remove pattern pin and password lock without losing data. Let's see how to use this pattern lock remover to break patron lock on Android phones. The download link of this software is also available in the video description. After you download and launch dr.fone on PC in the simple interface, you can click on the unlock pattern to remove your Android phone's lock screen. Now, you will be asked to connect your phone to computer via USB cable. This Android Toolkit software will automatically detect it. Please manually choose the right matching device model. My device name is Samsung Galaxy S5 and model G900F. You have to be very careful in choosing device model. If you choose wrong model, it may cause problem. You can see your device model nameplate behind the battery. Once you select and confirm your device brand name and model, just click the next button to continue. Now you have to go into download mode. Turn off your Android phone, press and hold volume down home button and power button at the same time for few seconds. Press the volume up to get into the download mode. After you get your Android phone into the download mode, the program will begin downloading recovery package for the Android device. It will take 510 minutes to finish the download task. As soon as dr.fone Android lock screen removal ends downloading, it will remove patrol lock on Android phone without data loss. Now, you can grab your Android phone with Hand and Touch Home button. You will surprisingly find that you can access and enter Android phone without pattern lock. The screen lock setting is removed, which means that your Android phone is unlocked successfully. But this software so far only supports Samsung and LG phones on PC. If you have another device, you can go for third method. Method number 3, using the Aroma File Manager. First, download the Aroma File Manager APK on your PC. The download link is available in the video description. This method will only work if your phone sports external SD card. Go to your download folder and copy the download zip file. Plug into your PC a memory card that you can insert on your phone. Later, paste the copied Aroma File Manager into your SD card. Once copied, eject it from your PC, then insert it into your Android phone. Now you have to boot into the stock recovery mode on your Android phone. For this, first switch off your phone and then hold the volume down and the power buttons for a few seconds to boot into the recovery mode. Each Android device has their own ways of entering recovery mode, so take a look at the description link so you can Google it with your device model. Once you are at the stock recovery, use your volume buttons to navigate and select the option Install Zip from SD card using the power button. Now, select the Aroma Installer APK you downloaded before. After the installation, the Aroma File Manager will now open in the recovery mode. Now, open the settings of the app and then select Auto Mount All Device Unstart. Now go back to the main screen and open the Data Folder System folder and look for a file named GESTURE.KEY or PASSWORD.KEY for pattern lock or password lock respectively. Once you find the file long, press on it and select the delete option to remove it. Now go back to recovery and reboot your device. You can now enter any password or draw any pattern and your device will be unlocked. This is because it has no data of your password. For using Google account password, it's easy to unlock pattern lock without losing data if you luckily have a locked Android running on old Android operating system. But forget the password, enter incorrect pattern log for 5 times so that the forgot pattern hints will show up. Tap on Forget Pattern option. Type your Google account email as well as the password to sign in Google account. Unlock page in the settings menu list and choose screen lock type that you want to use on Android phone after work. To reset a new screen lock, you can select None, Slide, Pattern, Pin and Password. You will be returned to Android home screen as soon as a new screen lock is set. Reboot to safe mode to bypass third-party app screen lock on Android. It is not difficult to bypass the pattern lock of third-party apps and access your Android device. All you need to do is to boot your Android phone into safe mode, since it will disable the third-party screen lock application that you have installed on device temporarily. Therefore, you just need to uninstall the pattern screen lock app after you got your Android data. And your Android pattern password screen lock will be removed even after you restart your device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu turns up on the Android screen. Tap and hold the power off. Tap on OK option when asked, do you want to reboot into safe mode? Uninstall the third-party Android screen lock application and restart your device. After that, you can download the third-party screen lock app again and then set up your new Android screen lock pattern. Number 6. Factory data reset. This method is usually not preferred, but you can try it if the data is not important. You will lose all your data if you try this method. Power off your device and then hold your volume down and power buttons together for a few seconds to boot into the recovery mode. Now hold down all 3 buttons together until you reach the recovery mode. Once in the stock recovery mode, use your volume keys to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and select it using your power button. Once the process is completed, reboot your phone and your device will be unlocked now. And there you have it. 6 different methods to unlock your Android pattern lock without losing any data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.